Human lungs. Hello, did you know your lungs are super pointed? They help you breathe and give your body oxygen it needs to run, jump, and play. Here are some good tips to keep your lungs healthy. Breathe fresh air. Try to spend time outside in clean, fresh air. Stay active. Exercise and play sports keep your lungs strong. Avoid smoke. Stay away from cigarette smoke and other harmful humans. Like that, eat healthy, a lot of fruits and veggies to keep your lungs healthy. Mm. Wash your hands. Keep germs away by washing your hands regularly. Remember, healthy lungs help you do all the fun things you love.